Mummy!
Mummy!
Oh Lord, the war, what a horror.
Daddy!
At last you're here.
Come along, we must flee. I want to work in Europe.
There are no jobs here. You shall not pass.
Psst. Hey, follow me. Oh.
Out of my sight, come. Go.
We're seeking asylum because our country is at war.
All right, come in.
Hello. Follow me. This family fled the war. They must be allowed into Europe.
All right. I'll take care of it. There are refugees here seeking asylum.
But it's their right. Welcome to your home.
Welcome to our home.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, EURODAME.
Welcome. I really do need you.
Thank you. And long live Europe.
Europe protects its borders, and Europeans welcome refugees. What about you?